Go to tradertalent.com and select the Start Trading button on the pop-up, or click the Get Your Free Trial link at the top. Either of these will bring you to the registration page. And here you'll find the short registration form to fill out. So enter in your name, email address, and a username that begins with a letter. The password requirements are very specific, so be careful. It can't include your username, must have a lower and uppercase letter, a number, and one of the special symbols shown. It must be at least 8 characters long. Agree to the terms and prove that you're not a robot. Then click Submit. And you now need to check your email for the confirmation link to complete the registration. Check your spam and junk folders if you can't see it. You should receive an email titled Account Activation tradertalent.com, looking like this from us. You'll then be able to log into your website account as well as the trading software. So click on Login here and log in using the credentials you registered with. And that's it. You're now into your account page. You'll see a banner at the top of the screen with the expiry date of your free trial, and also get access to your Audio Squawk free trial here. So Trader Talent Pro is the trading software. It's logged into separately but uses the same credentials that you registered with. There is the option to download a PC or Mac version, or simply continue to use the web browser version by clicking Start Trading that requires no download. Use the same login details as before, case sensitive, and select the simulation button. You'll be presented with a non-professional declaration form to receive live exchange data in the trial. If not completed, the data will still be available in the trial, but it will be delayed. The default workspace will now load and you're ready to try out Trader Talent Pro. And you'll then see your trial account details at the top and your $80,000 balance. Check out the Trader Talent Pro FAQ on our website to get started and enjoy your 2-week free trial.